Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys my insane closet clean out kind of, and just organizing it. My closet is a literal disaster right now. I'm pretty sure I just filmed one of these like a couple months ago and it was worse, like just like this. So I'm gonna be decluttering, getting rid of a ton of clothes, and then listing a lot on Poshmark. So if you guys would like to see what I'm cleaning out and how I'm gonna clean out this messy closet, I'm just gonna be getting rid of a lot of stuff because I have a lot of stuff that I didn't even wear this season. And I'm gonna be taking all my winter stuff down, all that stuff. So if you guys wanna see me clean out my super messy closet, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. And if you wanna see more videos from me, let me know which ones you'd like to see. And let's get into this crazy closet clean out. And don't forget to also check out my Poshmark, I'll link it down below. Okay, real life. Yeah, this is insanely messy, I'm aware. I want to say it's normally not like this, but honestly, it kind of is. I've already kind of taken out some stuff that's winter stuff, and this is all that's left, which is still a lot. And some of this is a few little winter pieces, like some cardigans and like my dress shirt for like interviews and stuff. I'm keeping that out, but yeah. So this is all that we have left. So I have a lot of, I gotta push it over, but I have a lot of space. I need to clean out all this. I have my work cut out for me. I might have to split this up into 2 days because I'm getting a late start on this, but I want to show you guys before, like, this is so bad, and it's just not being a good steward of the things that I own. So I need to clean all this out, get a big pile of giveaways, and then stuff I'm going to sell on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and see what brings me joy and what doesn't bring me joy. So this is one of those projects that it gets way messier before it gets better, and yeah. So this pile is stuff that I want to keep, but I need to put it up because it's like winter stuff, winter jackets, an old cardigan, just stuff like that. This little pile, this big pile right here is stuff that I just need to hang back up and then go through it, and then this is Erin's stuff that I need to hang back up. And then in here, I'm gonna go through all these shoes and we just have a lot of crap in here that we don't really need to be in our closet. So I'm just gonna start going through some of that stuff. And then I'll show you guys some of the new dresses that I got because I really want to show them to you and they're super cute. So again, this is all but one of these is Erin's. So yeah, I'm just glad to go through a lot of this and then see what shoes I have, which ones still fit and still look decent enough to wear this season. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm going to be going through the stuff, my winter stuff, and see what I want to keep to wear next year. And if I didn't wear it this year, chances are I'm probably not going to wear it next year. So we're going to go through this big pile right here, see what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, and then whatever I don't keep, I'll either donate or I'm going to sell on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and see what I have. Flannels like this, I like these tied like around the waist, but I did not wear it once this year. So I'm gonna put that in the Poshmark pile. This sweater I just bought and I love it, so I'm gonna keep this for next year. As well as this sweater, I love this olivey green sweater. It's just super cute and it's also really lightweight, so it's a good transition piece. Love my velvet shirt that has the little tie up in the front, so I'm gonna keep that. This sweater dress I love, it's super comfy. It literally feels like you're wearing pajamas. This loft sweater I didn't wear, but I feel like I might wear it next year. Honestly forgot it was in my closet, so I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. I am gonna keep this flannel because I have a vest that it goes with, and this one was really expensive. My grandma bought it for me, so I'm definitely keeping that. I like this shirt. It's inside out because I was too lazy to fix it, but it's a really good holiday shirt and I always wear it at like Christmas or New Year's or something like that. Another one of the flannels I'm gonna get rid of. I never wore it once. This I'm probably gonna list on Poshmark. It's from Walmart. It's the Time and True brand. It's super soft. But my only thing I don't like about it is I bought the wrong size. I got a small and I really needed like a medium or a large. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought a small. I did wear it, but I prefer mine to be oversized, but it's been worn like one time. So I'm gonna list this on Poshmark. It's so nice and soft. Like I really do love it, but I'm not gonna wear it if it's a small. So there's no sense in me holding on to it. Yeah, I haven't worn this in like 3 years, so that's gonna go in the Poshmark pile. Yeah, this Under Armour hoodie, the hanger just broke. I haven't worn this in a long time, so I'm probably gonna put that in the Poshmark pile. Sweater I love. It's like a super cropped, super soft sweater I got at TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna keep that. The rest of this is stuff that I pretty much wore this year. I wore this jean dress from White House Black Market a lot. Oh, this is definitely a Poshmark. Got this dress from Target, and it has a cute little cutout detail in the front, but it is really short on me because I'm super tall. I'm like 5'9", 5'10", and it's really short on me. So this sweater was like my mom's that I stole from a yard sale, so I never wore that, and I didn't wear this either. This sweater literally still has the tags on it, and I never wore it, so that's gonna be a Poshmark. And so is this shirt. It is a Poshmark as well. This is from Rue 21, RIP. It's got the long back, so it's good to wear with leggings, but I just didn't wear it this year, so I'm gonna Poshmark that or donate it. This sweater is super cute. I like this one. I'm gonna keep that. This is a Poshmark for sure. It's just a little simple maroon kind of t-shirty dress. It's super cute. I wore it a lot at Mississippi State, but I'm not gonna wear it now because I don't go there anymore and it's probably too short on me. This dress I used to love, but it's way too short on me again. And it's got these cute little bell sleeves with the cute detailing. I love this dress and it was expensive, but I might try it on and see if it fits, so I don't know. Mississippi State hoodie I gotta keep for the memories. And then my Columbia vest, and that is it. So let me show you guys the piles. So this big pile is what I'm probably gonna be donating or selling, and then this is probably what I'm gonna keep. I know it looks like a lot, but it's just a lot of sweaters. That's really it right there. And then I have a few cardigans and stuff up here. So not just a ton I'm getting rid of, but enough to make a difference. Like I did not wear that stuff this year, so that I need to get rid of it if I didn't wear it this year. Okay, so in my bathroom, oh yeah, this is also winter stuff I need to go through. So I totally forgot I even had more, but this is more stuff like t-shirts and like, I don't know. But that's the other stuff I just need to like rehang, so that's not that bad. So I'm gonna do that. I've kind of been going through my shoes and I wanna show you guys what I got new recently, and then probably just do as much as I can and then catch you up once I've made some more progress, so you're not just getting bored watching me do the same things over and over. Okay, so the first thing I got from Target recently are these shoes. They're the super cute espadrilles. They're by A New Day, and I got them in a size 9.5, but they're super comfy to walk in. I just love the studs. I love anything that has a stud like that on a shoe, and like the kind of like chevron, I don't know, they just had some really cute detailing to them. I think they were like 30 bucks, so I thought those were super cute. Then I got this dress, let's see. It looks like this. Super cute. It's kind of shorter in the front, longer in the back, and I got it in a small. The tag, I got it in a small, and I got it on sale for $19. It was one of their dresses for like 20% off or something. So I only paid like 19 or 20 bucks for it, and it's by A New Day. And then I got this exact same dress in black and white polka dots, which I'll show you next. Okay, so it's the exact same dress, just in polka dots, and I love polka dots. Like, I am on a polka dot, I don't know, I've always loved polka dot dresses, and this one's so cute. It fits me really well. Again, by A New Day, small, 20 bucks at Target, normally 25. And then they have these really cute little buttons down the back, so it has a little detailing on the back like that, and I just thought it was a really nice dress for the $20 or $25 that it was. The next dress I got is from Dillard's, and it is so cute. It looks like this. It's from Dillard's. It's by the brand Blue Pepper, B-L-U, and it's kind of long. It goes below the knee. That's the brand right there, Blue Pepper. So I thought it was so cute. I just like these dresses that hit like right at the knee or below the knee. I think it's a really cute style for the year. And this dress with like some nude pumps or some cute shoes, earrings, I feel like you can't go wrong with this kind of a dress. So I really love this one. I can't wait to wear it. Okay, the next thing I got from Target is this shirt, and it's just by the brand Universal Thread. It was $14.99, and I got it in a small. I just really like this because it had this little tie in the front, and I'm always just needing regular basic shirts just to throw on with some jean shorts or something and wear it to run errands in, or just have a simple outfit ready to go. And I feel like this, with some jean shorts and some cute sandals, like, you look adorable, and you didn't really have to do anything. So that's why I got that. Do you like it, Hickory? He always has to smell everything I bring home. And then last but not least from Target are these adorable shorts. They have dog hair on them. What doesn't? I had to get these in a size 4. They are by the brand A New Day as well, but these fit me so well, and they're so super cute. They zip on the side. They're this nice material. Like, these feel high quality. Like, Target has some cute stuff right now. But yeah, they look super cute. This is what the back looks like, and I can't wait to pair these with some cute tops or something. I don't really know what I'm gonna pair with this yet. But yeah, so that's what I got recently from Target. Let's get back to the closet clean out. Really like that shirt, don't you? Hickory. That's my new shirt. What are you doing? Hey guys, so it's now the 3rd day of this closet clean out, and I just want to show you guys how I hung up some of those things that I said I was going to keep for winter in the spare bedroom closet. And then down here in this tub, I filled like with all my sweaters, vests, anything like that, so everything's organized. And I'm pretty much have everything done. I know I didn't vlog all of it because it would literally just been like an hour of footage of me just like folding clothes. So, but yeah, so this is our guest bedroom closet. It's just got a bunch of random stuff in it, but I keep my winter clothes in here, or just like random old prom dresses or something, just to keep them out of the way, but they're still organized. So next year, all I have to do is like switch these clothes with the clothes that are already hanging in my closet. Okay, also I found some more summer clothes that I completely forgot I had. I'm gonna hang some of these up. I found these Lily Pulitzer shorts, a few bathing suits, and then some more t-shirts, and then these shorts right here that are super cute, so I'm gonna hang those up as well. But that's all I have left, and then I'll show you guys my closet. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. These are the remaining clothes that I'm gonna leave up. I had to hang up some of my scrubs and just some other random stuff. And I kind of went through errand stuff. So now my shoes are organized and I can just see what I have. I kept some winter ones on the bottom, but from like here up is all summer shoes. I can just come in here and grab whatever pair of shoes I'm looking for, and that's it. This is a lot better than what it was, so I'm glad I went ahead and did this, and I got rid of a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna list a lot on Poshmark, and then I'm also gonna be donating a lot. Like, that still has a bunch of t-shirts I need to go through. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of how I cleaned out my closet and what I got rid of and what I'm gonna keep. Like I said, I know this wasn't like a super interesting video, but I like to film this kind of stuff, and it makes me like have the motivation to actually do it. So yeah, I'm gonna start listing those clothes on Poshmark, but they probably won't be up by the time this video's up because I have so many other things for school I have to do. But I will list them as soon as I can, so go check out my Poshmark if you want any of that stuff. I'm gonna list it all super cheap. I just need to get rid of it, and whatever doesn't sell, I'll just donate. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of video or if you like my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you, and you took away my name. Now when you saw me,